Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Susie. I'm layering the cup today with the intentions of making a pour that looks like a path going up into the light. That's inspired me to try this painting. And the colors are, I have a mixture of different colors. I have the deep purple by Amsterdam and a pink which has been mixed with a little bit of white. It's the magenta, and it's a lighter pink now with the white added to it. There's teal added into this one, and I'll put all the colors in the description box. I just mix floetrol with the paints and layer them one after another, and then after I've used the colors, I start over with the layers again.